Hi, I'm Becky McGuire. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So I haven't made a video in about a year because I got so wrapped up in making my video perfect that I didn't even make any. So I had to always make sure that my background was ready, that my children were not being crazy in the background, that I had my makeup on, I had my hair done, and let's face it, mom life, right? Hashtag mom life. We don't always have that kind of situation going on ever. So I stopped making videos. So I decided to put my hair in this bun, throw on some eye makeup, and show you our new Perfectly Posh Vial lip color because I'm in love with it. I don't really wear a lot of lipstick, but I really love this formula and love how it feels on my lips. So I'm using it. Okay, so Perfectly Posh has, like I said, a line of lip color. It is organically based. It's made with fermented date oil that helps condition your lips and also makes the lip color stick to your lips to make it a little more long lasting. And the fermented date oil actually feels really great on my lips. That's why I've been using it. So I'm gonna show you how this works. All of our little tubes have our little tagline, "Let's Lock Lips," and the little Vial logo. And you first apply the primer. So this is just a light conditioning balm almost. You don't need a lot. And you let that dry for a minute. So while that's drying, I will talk to you about our Vial tin that you can get. So in the Vial tin, it's super cute. It has this logo on the front. It's a little tin. Inside is a mirrored, there's my phone. There is a mirrored inside, so you can use it as your mirror to apply your vial. And then also you can choose 3 different tubes to put inside your tin. So we have the primer, we have lip colors, we also have toppers. Toppers are gonna add a shimmer or change the color, a little bit of the color that you're using. And we have those as well. So after about 45 seconds to a minute, it gets a little bit tacky. It's ready for your color. So I'm using this Amazing Space color. We just got this as part of our cosmic line. Perfectly Posh just launched a fall trend. It was all about cosmic galaxy themed, using crystals to promote good energy and good mood, as well as making you feel good and pulling energy from the universe, right? And so it talks about crystals, and this color is part of that line. So Amazing Space, but I actually really love it, and I've been using it a lot since I got back from our convention in Nashville, which was amazing. So just apply the color. There's no burn or sting. It is not drying. You can see this lip color is actually very neutral. Okay, and you're done. So throughout the day, they usually last between 4 to 6 hours. Sometimes some colors last up to 8 to 10 hours, depending on what I do that day, how long, what I'm eating that day, whatever is happening, or just the kind of the pigment that's in the color. But this one lasts me for about 4 to 6 hours, and I can reapply if I want to with just the color, or if it's completely off, I can use the primer first and do the whole thing again if I have time, or if I'm working, if it's worth my while to do that. So we do have some toppers. I'll show you one. This is called Surely You Jest. You can see it's just like this one's like an iridescent looking color, and you just apply that on top of your lip color to change it a little bit. So I'll show you that quickly. It does interfere a little bit with how long the lip color lasts because it doesn't stick to the date oil like your color did, but it does add a little something sometimes if you need that. So just add a little bit of shimmer, if you want to your color. So the tin we have is $49, and you can buy each individual tube for $18. You can mix and match if you want some topper. You should definitely get a primer and at least 1 lip color, but then you can choose 2 lip colors. You can choose a a topper, and that's $49 for the whole tin. So you're getting a little bit of a deal if you buy the 3. But we have several different colors. I'll show you this other color that I really, really like. It is Stop Blushing. I am kind of more of a safe lip color girl. This one's actually like a muted pink. So I love that one too. It has no metallic look like the Amazing Space did. We have a very, very pretty true red. This is called Truth or Dare. I have it on my hand. So I have a whole list of colors. That's just a couple samples that I really, really like. And we have some deep reds, we have some browns, a nude color. So if you're interested in checking it out, I will give you my site in the link in the bio below, and I hope you like it. Have a great day.